Hi everyone, in this video I am going to teach you a wonderful technique which is grounding with your five senses. I am Asa Kalra, graphologist, graphotherapist and guided art coach. I think grounding is very important because it can help you to be in your present. This mindful technique is wonderful to actually calm you down, and whenever you feel anxious or you're just thinking about past, you feel tense, thinking about and feeling about things around is the best way to come back in your present. And this grounding with your five senses is based on that technique. It can help you feel less terrified and more relaxed. I think life is filled with distractions, and it is normal to get lost, to feel tense or distracted. This mindful technique can actually help you tap into your present, and initially I think it is going to be difficult for one to actually make benefit from it, but gradually I think with time you realize once you start practicing this technique, अगर आप regular practice करते हैं, so it becomes really handy. So one has to believe that no one can fix everything, but we need to focus on things, especially our mental health should be a priority, and we need to focus and accept that there is nothing like we can control. For this is all about focus. In this technique, what we do is, like, whenever we are feeling restless and tensed, and just to bring us back to reality, into present, we need to do five things. First, like definitely through our senses. First, we need to see five things and just get your mind to settle down and start thinking about start observing things and seeing things. You can just go in your balcony, बाहर जाके आप sun को देख सकते हैं, sky को देख सकते हैं. You can see a picture on a beautiful picture on a wall. You can see people walking. You just have to observe it. Second is four things you need to feel. You can just get up and feel the fresh air, maybe, and feel the feet on the floor to bring back your mind to present, and feel things, pencil, a pen in your hand, anything, just feel any four things. Next is three. Now, three things you need to hear. For that moment, after doing these two things, you can listen to music. You can अपना clock को ticking को सुन सकते हैं, and birds को chirping you can listen. So you can listen to anything, any favorite music of yours. Another thing you need to do is two things you need to smell. So smell something, your favorite perfume, smell food, smell anything, leaves, flowers, anything. And the last thing you need to do is to taste. Taste one thing. It can be anything, any minty thing, any of your favorite thing. It can be toothpaste. So these are the grounding techniques to be done with your five senses. So again, like the 5-second rule is a combination where 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 things you need to do, and start with first you have to see, then you have to feel, then you have to hear, then you have to smell, and then you have to taste. And just try it. It's a mindful technique and it does wonders to whoever has tried. And इसको एक practice बनाना. It's not that एकदम से आपको वो चीज़ अच्छी लगेगी, but I think with practice it is an amazing technique forever. Wherever you feel anxious, tensed and lost, lonely, and in your past, just bring yourself in present and enjoy. Thank you so much.